Well, hello, and welcome back to Shaneshobbyshop. Today, we got another unboxing and review to do of a wonderful Sansi product. You want to see what it is? Well, stay tuned. Yeah, that's right. We got another product from Sansi. And if you watch my channel, you know that I got most of my lights in my shop and even in my house is LED lights from Sansi. They are a great company. I highly recommend them. And a link to this product will be in the description below to where you can go and get you one of these as well. Alright, well, let's see what it is. Well, okay, opening the box, first thing will come up is a couple little readings. It's a little congratulations from Sansi. And then you'll use a guide to what this light is. It's very nice. You want to read that, and yeah. Now, what this is a 70 watt grow light from Sansi. What's a grow light? Well, it is now becoming wintertime, and your plants that you really like, they're potted plants, hopefully, they can't grow in winter. They're going to freeze, they're going to die. But you want to keep them growing, then you want to get you a grow light to bring indoors. And Mom, she has her herbs, and we're going to be putting this above one of her herb plants. Now again, this little light here, just loosen up the little tabs here, and you got a little deal you can hang it from, or you can make it stand up, or you can even screw it to a wall, and then this head pivots. Got a pretty good long cord on it. And also on the cord itself, which is something new that I like, this is an on and off switch that is enclosed. So you don't have to worry about it getting wet. It's really nice, on and off, where you can just turn this on and off without having to unplug it. Also comes in a little bag. Inside that bag is a little small cable. Now if you look on this little deal here, you have a hole on the little bracket. That is for this cable. One side of the cable, you got this little hook that you can hook up to the high side. And then on the other side is a little attachment that goes onto here, and it will hang from the ceiling above. Alright, so let's go ahead and get you a closer look to this, and yeah, very nice. Okay, well, my first thoughts on the light, like all other Sansi lights, it is built very rugged. You don't have to worry about it breaking, because it is very nice and sturdy. Alright, now you come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 LED lights on it. They are very bright. At the bottom it has a little passcode where it was tested and passed. In the back side, you got a couple of information about it. The model number is power rated at 70 watts with input voltage of AC is 100 to 240 volts with 50 to 60 hertz. Alright, so you can see through it. I can see my camera right in front of me there, so it can breathe very nicely. You don't have to worry about it overheating. And yeah, it looks pretty nice. Very nice. I really do like it. I'm going to get a lot of use in on this for this winter time. I might even go ahead and order me a couple more just for the other herbs that Mom has. That way we can keep all of our plants growing all winter long. And then next summer, all we got to do is put them back out in the weather for the summertime and continue growing. And we got a little jump on everybody else for the herbs. Very nice though. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to show you a few pictures next of where I actually got this set up. Like I said, Mom has a, let's see, rosemary, I think in a 5-gallon bucket. We got this just set right above the bucket, and it's helping that plant out really nice. And I don't got no before and after pictures because I haven't been using this all that long, but I have been using it. I can really tell it does work. Alright, so yeah, let's go ahead and show you those pictures. And Again, a link's in the description below to it if you want to go and get you one of these. My name is Shane, and this is Shane's Hobby Shop. We'll see you next time.